Hey, health seekers! Are you feeling bloated, tired, or just not yourself? Your gut might be waving a red flag. Today, we're unveiling the top 7 fastest and most powerful ways to restore your gut microbiome and transform your entire body from the inside out. Stick with me, because these tips could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's dive into this gut-loving adventure. Tip number 1. Fill up on fiber, the ultimate gut fuel. Fiber is like the best friend your gut never knew it needed. It's the food for your good bacteria, helping them grow strong and healthy. Fill your plate with fiber-rich foods like fruits, think apples, bananas, and berries, vegetables, broccoli, carrots, leafy greens, whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice, and legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Benefits of fiber. By loading up on fiber, you're providing your gut bacteria with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. This can lead to better digestion, reduced bloating, regular bowel movements, and a happy, balanced gut microbiome every day. Tip number 2. Pick prebiotic-rich foods, the unsung heroes. Prebiotics are the food for your probiotics, the good bacteria in your gut. Think of them as the fertilizer that helps your gut flora flourish. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and even oats are packed with prebiotics. Benefits of prebiotics. Eating prebiotic-rich foods helps stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria, supporting your gut health, boosting your immune system, and enhancing your mood. It's like giving your gut a VIP treatment every single day. Tip number 3. Eat probiotic foods. Boost your gut army. Probiotics are live bacteria that can help restore the natural balance of your gut flora. Foods rich in probiotics include yogurt. Look for those with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha. Benefits of probiotics. Consuming these foods regularly introduces good bacteria into your gut, which helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Think of it as building a strong defense system that protects your gut and your overall health. Tip number 4. Avoid animal products. Give your gut a break. A diet high in animal products, like red meat, dairy, and processed meats, can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. Instead, opt for plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa. Benefits of avoiding animal products. Reducing animal products can lower the amount of harmful bacteria in your gut, reduce inflammation, and create a healthier environment for good bacteria to thrive. Plus, plant-based diets are linked to lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Tip number 5. Limit fats. Choose wisely for your gut. Not all fats are created equal. High intake of saturated fats, found in red meats, butter, and fried foods, can negatively affect your gut bacteria. Instead, go for healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Benefit of limiting fats. Limiting unhealthy fats and opting for healthy fats can reduce inflammation in the gut, promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, and improve your overall digestion. A healthy gut means a happy you. Tip number 6. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Protect your gut. Antibiotics can be life-saving, but they can also wipe out the good bacteria in your gut along with the bad. Avoid taking antibiotics unless they are absolutely necessary and prescribed by a healthcare professional. Benefits of avoiding unnecessary antibiotics. Limiting unnecessary antibiotics helps preserve the good bacteria in your gut, reducing the risk of digestive issues and maintaining a balanced microbiome. Protect your gut by using antibiotics wisely. Tip number 7. Practice a healthy lifestyle. Gut health is holistic. Your lifestyle choices directly impact your gut health. Regular exercise, staying hydrated, getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, managing stress with mindfulness or meditation, and maintaining a balanced diet are key. Benefits of practicing a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle supports the diversity and balance of your gut microbiome, leading to improved digestion, stronger immunity, and enhanced mood. It's a full-body boost, starting right in your gut. Remember, these tips are for informational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional for advice tailored to your individual health needs. Are you ready to give your gut the love it deserves? If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health tips. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this, because a healthy gut means a healthy life. Comment below which tip you'll try first. See you in the next video.